Welcome friends. I used to be able to transfer photos and videos from my iPhone SE 3rd generation to my Windows 10 desktop quickly and easily. But recently I've run into a problem where it seems to be loading, but once I try to play the video it says it's not supported, corrupt, or etc. So here's how I'm going to try to fix it. I've downloaded some videos from my phone to my computer and now I'm trying to play them, and this is what happens. First, I've plugged my iPhone's lightning cable into my desktop and hit allow. Punch in my ultra secret code and go to settings. Scroll on down to photos and open up. Go all the way to the bottom where it says transfer to Mac or PC, and I'm going to change it from automatic to keep originals. I'm going to try to load some videos again, and this is what happens. Well, now we're getting to the bottom of it. HEVC stands for High Efficiency Video Coding. And the codec is compress decompress. And I'm going to go out on a limb and spend the 99 cents. It took about 2 minutes to load. And now it appears it is working again. Once I hit play again, it immediately started playing. This seemed to work for me. I hope it works for you. Thanks for watching.